Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to finish a jigsaw puzzle. First, gather all your puzzle pieces and flip them face up. Then, carefully sort through them to identify all the straight-edged pieces and the four corner pieces. These are crucial for building the puzzle's frame. Assembling the border first gives you a clear outline and a solid foundation, making it much easier to place the remaining interior pieces. This step is fundamental for any puzzle, whether it has 500 or 2,000 pieces. Once your border is complete, the next step is to sort the remaining pieces. Look for distinct colors, patterns, or textures within the puzzle image. Create separate piles or use small containers for each group. For example, all the blue sky pieces go together, and all the green tree pieces go into another pile. This organization is incredibly helpful, especially for puzzles with 1,000 pieces or more, as it significantly narrows down your search for each individual piece. With your pieces sorted, begin building smaller, recognizable sections. Pick a distinct area, like a specific object or a unique color block, and try to assemble it. For instance, if there's a red barn, gather all the red pieces and construct that section. Once a small section is complete, connect it to your existing border or to other completed sections. This method helps you tackle the puzzle in manageable chunks, making the process less overwhelming and more enjoyable. For the final stage, focus on filling in the remaining gaps. This often involves a bit more trial and error. Look at the shape of the empty space and try to find pieces that have a matching configuration. Don't be afraid to rotate pieces. Sometimes a piece will only fit one way. Systematically work through the remaining areas, paying close attention to the interlocking patterns. With patience and persistence, you'll soon place the very last piece, completing your beautiful jigsaw puzzle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.